We are walking down to the pond. Here is a rabbit. It's running away. Bush rabbit. Yeah, I've gone into the bush. Yes, baby, I'm gonna be careful. Going down to the pond, we see. Yeah. See ducks. More rabbits. See some more rabbits over there.
And don't do the zigzag.
We're gonna see if we see any alligator, crocodile. Where?
Early.
Are ducks? Yeah, man.
Don't go so close,
Yeah.
auntie. Them hiding in bushes.
Jesus, no, scare me. Why are these two scaring me, guys?
Yes, we said a wing. At least somebody.
Well, what?
Early.
Yes. I don't see any as yet. We are just looking. All we are seeing is ducks. Mighty God, do not tap. There's something there now. No, come out, Thai bush. See, see what over there, sir? What? Yeah, me see. Look up pan right there, sir. See another pan over there, guys. See some rabbits. See plenty of rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see them there, Jen? And see some big ones. Some big ones up there. But by the time we're gonna get close to them, guys, they are going to run away from us. So we are viewing nature. Oh my God, look at the rabbits, guys. Look. But you want to take the picture there, Jen? You took it already? What they want in our road? You know, see? Watch out, they gone. There's a little tiny one right there. Yeah, they move real fast. A little tiny one. See right there, so. Yeah, they're swift. Ah, they're so swift. So you see anywhere them go through, you see like one little hole there. You see it go all looking at the grass. You see it? What? Look at they move so swift. They move so swift. You want to get to see alligator?